啊 ？Thank you, Penny。那是什么？ 哇！Kick it away. 啊
One piece broke.
！One piece.
Go! Go! He just jump out from the loop down.
It's very powerful.
Yeah,
Oh.
it just jumped out.
Yes.
It's bouncy. It's a bouncy marble.
Wow. 1、2、3、4、5有5只脚哎，5 feet。哦，哇哦，哇哦。This one's clever. 来来，嘿，来，啊哈哈哈。Where are the balls? 嗯？哦。A cake? Wow, yeah, that's my favorite. A cake.
Peanut butter cake.
It's not peanut butter, it's walnut.
Walnut. And what's the top?
Walnut. And butter, cream.
Cream.
Okay, we need to. It should be okay. Today is 30th, but thank you, Penny.
Thank you, Penny.
How can you believe you can put a fresh cake in a parcel and fly from UK to Taiwan? I should try. I should try next time. But we don't have this kind of cake in Taiwan.
Tasty. I said, tasty.